Undersampling versus class_weight in ScikitLearn Random Forests. I am applying ScikitLearn's random forests on an extremely unbalanced dataset, ratio of 1:10,000. I can use the class_byte equals balanced parameter. I have read it as equivalent to undersampling. However, this method seems to apply weights to samples and do not change the actual number of samples. Because each tree of the random forest is built on a randomly drawn subsample of the training set, I am afraid the minority class will not be representative enough, or not represented at all, in each subsample. Is this true? This would lead to very biased trees. Thus, my question is, does the class_weight equals balanced parameter allow us to build reasonably unbiased random forest models on extremely unbalanced datasets, or should I find a way to undersample the majority class at each tree or when building the training set?
I think you can split majority class in plus 10,000 samples and train the same model using each sample plus the same points of minority class.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.